Hi guys, this is our lunch for today. Avocado sandwich with cheese inside. Yummy po. Yan po yung ating lunch for today. Diet muna ngayon kasi masarap po yung avocado. Grabe, diba? Kasi yung ano namin is ang laki ng avocado na yan. Magatak. Maano siya, malagkit, malagalat. Ayun.
Maligat.
Ayan, may avocado pa po ako dito. Sarap niyan eh. Uy, gisarap-sarap ng aking lunch for today. As avocado sandwich. At saka yung wholemeal po yung bread namin. Ayan, dala po yan ng aking sister from KL. Ayan, thank you so much guys to all my subscribers. I love you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.